Welcome to our comparison of two top WordPress plugins for generating image alt text, Alt Text AI and AI Image, Alt Text Generator for WP. Let's dive into the key differences and help you choose the right tool. So let's start the video. We're assuming you're already familiar with the importance of alt text and how it works, so we won't go into that. Today, I'll introduce two plugins that automatically generate alt text. While both offer similar features, we'll focus on which one provides more user benefits. First, we will see which free version works best for us. When you create an account with these two plugins, they offer free credits. Let's see how much free credit each plugin provides when you sign up. First, if we look at the AI Image Alt Text plugin, it offers 40 credits with a free account. On the other hand, the Alt Text AI plugin provides only 25 free credits. In the free version, we're getting 60% more credits with the AI Image Alt Text plugin compared to Alt Text AI. Let's check the pricing for both plugins. First, let's look at the Alt Text AI plugin. It offers three pricing tiers: Bronze, $5 for 100 credits; Silver, $20 for 500 credits; Gold, $49 per month for 2,000 credits. The AI Image Alt Text plugin offers 5 pricing options. The basic plan gives you 250 credits for $5. The standard plan includes 600 credits for $10. The Gold plan offers 1,200 credits for $19. And the agency plan provides 2,600 credits per month for $50. There's also a flexible custom option, where you can buy one-time credits as needed, with no expiration date. Both plugins provide the same features, but there's a big price difference. With the AI Image Alt Text plugin, we're getting 20% more at half the cost of Alt Text AI. I've used two of their plugins a lot, and both have been excellent. The AI Image Alt Text plugin is especially helpful because of its easy-to-use settings, great features, and affordable price. You can trust it completely. I'm sure you'll find it just as valuable as I did.